In this video, I will show you how to branch from a tag. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing I'd like you to do is log into your GitHub account. And once you're logged in, this is what your dashboard should look like. Now the next thing is to go to the far right where we see the icon that shows your display image. We click on that and then we click on repositories. Now we're going to click on this repository. So in order for you to branch from a tag, we need to ensure that your GitHub repository has a tag. This is what we call a tag, and you can tag your repositories with versions of your code base. So you have the version 1.0.0. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the code base. We're going to click on this. We're going to copy this project locally. So you can copy with the HTTPS or the SSH if you have a public key. Now that we have it in our database, it's also important for you to know that you need to install Git locally on your machine. Now, in order to see all the branches that we currently have, we're going to do git branch list. So now let's ensure that we also see all the tags that we have on our repository. Now, since we have the version 1.0.0 and we are on the main branch, to branch from this tag, what Git is going to do is branch from this branch, but including this tag. So a branch can have multiple tags, as you can see. This branch can have multiple tags here. But if you want to branch from one particular tag, you're going to type in git checkout. This is for branch B, and then you're going to type in your branch here, the name of your new branch. And then you're going to add the tag on it. So this is version 1.0.0. So once we press enter, Git has switched us to a new branch. And to confirm that we've been able to branch from this tag, we can go to our code editor. I use VS Code. Under my code editor, I have an extension named Git Graph. Now on the Git Graph, you can see the details on the branch here. You see our new branch was branched from the main branch, and that was the head. And as you can see here, if we open this, you can see that it was also branched from the main branch, but with this tag. Now that's how you branch from a tag on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.